Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After you have created any new tag categories or subcategories you want, you can then assign those tags to your images. To assign a tag to an image, click and drag the image that you want to tag from the organizer window onto the desired tag, tag category, or tag subcategory by which you want to categorize the images. Alternately, you can click and drag a tag from the Tags panel and drop it onto an image within the organizer window to tag the image with the selected tag. Both actions have the same effect. Another way to assign tags to media is to use the contextual menu. To do this, select the images to tag and then right-click a tag category or subcategory name. Click the Apply to Selected Media command from the contextual pop-up menu that appears to assign that tag to the selected images. Note that this contextual pop-up menu also contains commands that let you change a tag category or tag subcategory name, edit a tag category, or delete tag categories or subcategories. Ratings are another type of tag used to categorize selected media items by their quality. You can assign a rating of 1 to 5 stars to images by using the pop-up contextual menu. To do this, right-click a media file, roll over the Ratings command in the pop-up contextual menu, and then click the desired rating level to apply to the image from the side menu of choices that appears. The choices shown range from 1 to 5 stars and include no rating if you want to remove a rating that has already been assigned. Once the ratings are assigned, you can filter for those images by clicking the desired comparison operator and then clicking the corresponding star above the Tags panel. Remember, you can switch back to the All Media view by clicking that button in the upper left corner of the organizer window. You can filter the media view to only display images with a specified tag by clicking the checkbox to the left of the tag name in the Tags panel. To remove a tag filter, uncheck the checkbox to remove the filter, or click the All Media button in the upper left corner of the organizer window. You can also click the black arrows to the left of the People tags, Places tags, and Event tags section to expand and collapse those tag groups to show or hide the tags within them. You can also check or uncheck the tags in these sections to filter the media view to show or hide the tagged images.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.